In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to the Meta Business Suite on Facebook. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your personal Facebook account. If you're already logged in, that's great. If not, simply go to the Facebook login page, enter your credentials, and hit the login button. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Facebook homepage where you can see your newsfeed and all your notifications. Now, over on the left-hand side of the screen, there's a menu bar that you might be familiar with. This menu bar contains various options such as your shortcuts and groups, and sometimes you'll even find marketplace links there. What we're looking for is an option to see more items, so look for the command See More. It's usually towards the bottom of the initial menu list. When you click on See More, this will expand the menu, revealing several additional options that are not shown on the initial view. Once the menu is expanded, scroll down a bit until you see the Meta Business Suite option listed there. Depending on your personal settings and business engagements, this might appear quickly, or you may have to scroll a little. So, if you don't see it right away, don't worry, just keep that scroll wheel going until it comes into view. The Meta Business Suite is a powerful tool, useful for managing pages, tracking engagement, and much more, so having easy access to it is pretty beneficial. When you find the Meta Business Suite option, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you straight to the Meta Business Suite homepage. Here, you can manage your business's presence on Facebook more effectively and get insights into your account's analytics. It's a place where you'll be able to handle the back end of any business or advertising activities you're conducting, from setting up ads to monitoring audience engagement with your content. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to access the Meta Business Suite on Facebook. Remember, each of these steps is necessary to effectively navigate the interface and reach your business tools quickly. Whether managing a business page or handling multiple social profiles, this suite is designed to streamline that process. Thanks for following along with me today. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more tips and guides, and until then, happy navigating.